In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an accessory belt on your Dodge Ram. This is going to be located on the front of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 3/8 ratchet, we're going to go down to our tensioner, and we're going to install it into there. We're going to push on this tensioner and detension the belt, and then pull the belt off the top pulley. Let the ratchet go slack and remove it off the tensioner. Remove the belt from the vehicle. We're going to remove it off of all of the pulleys. And now we're going to work it around our fan assembly. I'm going to put it over the top fin and slowly work the fan all the way around. And remove the belt from the vehicle. Install the new belt. We're going to do this around the fan first. So get it started around the one fin and then slowly work your fan around, putting the belt over every fin. Get the belt over the fan assembly. I'm going to put my belt around all of the pulleys except for the alternator. That's going to be my last one to put on. Get a ratchet installed into the tensioner. Pull the tensioner back and get that belt installed around that last pulley. Take a look now at your belt. Make sure it's riding on all of the grooves and all of the flats where it should be. The belt's not kinked or twisted anywhere. Remove your ratchet.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.